Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I'm here with another video in the Let's Niche Down series. So the keyword for today is clouds. I don't know what is going to happen, but I'm super excited to try, okay? So again, like I told you guys, I found a page with just a lot of prompts and I kind of just jot down a whole bunch of them. And I decided to see where it would go and if we can actually find something, if this can be something we can go through. I'm going to tell you guys that I'm obsessed with clouds and I've sold a cloud picture on Redbubble. So I know it can be possible, but yeah, make sure you subscribe so you can keep watching the Let's Niche Down series, okay? So we're going to go over to Amazon, right? But first I want to also type in what are the types of clouds. So I'm going to leave that there and I'm going to go over here to Amazon and I'm going to put in the word cloud. So we have cloud light, cloud key, cloud bicycle seat, cloud reader, cloud pillow. So yeah, I want to see what the cloud pillow is. Okay. Oh, so it's like one of these little cloud pillows. Okay. I just wanted to see what it was. So I don't see anything that says clouds. Okay. Light pillow shelf decor. So let's put in cloud t-shirt. Cloud t-shirt. There's no cloud t-shirt. Be a rainbow in someone else's cloud. Cloud t-shirt for men. So let's go ahead and hit search and see overall. Y'all, you got to be kidding me. I promise you guys, I am not looking earlier. 966 results for cloud t-shirt. And I'm in the all category, right? So let's go look. Let's see. So there is no cloud. It has a little cloud there. A full cloud shirt, some cloud and moon stuff. So it's like a little, like different little things, okay? I really like these ones. These are super cute. But yeah, so let's look in clothing and let's see how much of this is actually just, you know, like, so it says 1,000 search results, but okay, so that's still not bad though, even though I see some bras. All right, so now let's go back and look at the type of clouds. So cumulus, let's see if we can add that word in and it give us something different. Cumulus cloud t-shirt. So 110. And you know why that is, because people use, like, if you use that keyword, if you create a shirt that looks like the cumulus cloud, okay? And then there looks like a joke, head in the cumulus. So I think the cumulus clouds are the ones that show the rain, if I'm not mistaken. So what is cumulus? Clouds are puffy clouds and sometimes look like pieces of floating cotton. The base of each cloud is often flat and maybe only 100 meters above ground. Oh my gosh, so cute. They look so low. Oh, I would love to just, like, you know, but I love that. So that's the definition of it, because it's low hanging fruit clouds. But still, like, with the cumulus cloud keyword, we have 110. So let's do rainbow and cloud together. So with the rainbow and the cloud, we get 249 search results. So we can do anything with like rain, rainbow, after the storm, clouds, things like that. And they see a lot of unicorn colors with like the rainbow and the cloud. So that can definitely be something you can get into. So if you type in rainbow cloud. So yeah. So we found one, you know, we went from the word cloud to cloud t-shirt to cumulus cloud, and now we're on rainbow cloud. So I'm going to go back to all and I want to see, I'm going to type in cloud journal because I love clouds and, you know, creating journals with just clouds you know, I think that would be beautiful. I take cloud pictures. So it says 1,000 search results for journals, and that's in all. Now let's go down to books to see what it looks like. So we're gonna hit search again, and it says 50,000 cloud journals. So pretty. A lot of people have this thought. Those are just so pretty, cloud journals. So let's do rainbow cloud journal and see if it changes. So about 3,000, so that's not bad. So it's probably easier to get into the cloud shirts than in cloud journals. But if you do rainbow or add something else in it, you might have some good, some pretty good results, okay? A lot of these on the first page aren't really selling as well, so the designs aren't that beautiful either. So come in there with something unique. Let it not be just like a blank cloud journal. Create like some sensory type thing for it. So that is our Let's Niche Down keyword for cloud today. If you enjoy these videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can hit that notification bell and be notified every time that I release a new one. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.